guys know that monkeys display aggression by a wide variety of ways, including yawning, head bobbing, lip gritting, or pulling, as well as jerking the head and shoulders. Yeah, probably like that. Alright, let's hear a sample of what the DeBraza monkey sounds like. This is not DeBraza monkey, is it? This might not be DeBraza monkey.